We are looking for Flutter developers, one senior and one junior, who will join our talented software team that works on mission different applications. Your duties will include managing Flutter, Android, iOS, web application development while providing expertise in the full software development lifecycle, from concept and design to testing. Seniors should have good experience in building high-performing, scalable, enterprise-grade applications, and be able to write clean code with provider design patterns and ensure your programs run properly. We also expect you to be passionate about building software and perform well working in a team, along with developers, engineers, and web designers. Junior will learn by creating apps instantly with documentation and support. Flutter developer responsibilities are: design and develop high-volume, low-latency applications for HR sector and business applications. Systems and delivering high availability and performance with Firebase. Create well-designed, testable, efficient code. Flutter provider change notifier. Participate in all phases of the development lifecycle. Assist in the preparation and production of releases of software components. Investigate alternatives and technologies and present them for architectural review, in order to support continuous improvement. Firebase and Flutter. Job requirements. Preferred experience: 1 year experience in Flutter development. Must show your work with developing small applications. Experience in Flutter development, deployed at least 3 apps. Have experience with Flutter for web, iOS and Android. Familiarity with Firebase. Knowledge of modern authorization mechanisms. Firebase. Ability to understand business requirements and translate them into technical requirements. Familiarity with code versioning tools like Git. Required skills: strong problem-solving skills. Team worker. Very comfortable learning new technologies, tools, and platforms. Highly motivated. Initiative and passion. Strong problem-solving skills.